Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are doing fine today. We have been doing the components of a sentence, subject, verb, object. In today's portion, we continue the portion today. Today's portion, we are doing object. Object. Thomas killed a snake. There we see Thomas subject. The verb is kill. Thomas killed. Thomas killed whom? Thomas killed what? Thomas killed a snake. We get a direct object, that is snake. The recipient of the action. Killed is the verb. Killed what? Killed whom? So an object is a word. The object is that refers to the recipient of the action represented by the verb. That is a simple meaning. So, my father gave me a pen. Look at the blackboard. My father gave me a pen. My father gave me what? We get the object, a pen. So, here it is, the object. Then, objects again objects directly or indirectly they give the answer. The verb gives the answer. So here we see the direct object pen, indirect object is me. Then it is again, the verb is again asking question. When we ask a question to the verb gave, we get the answer. When you ask question to the verb praise, where, we get the answer. Then we again the time. The verb shows the reason. The verb shows the manner. Once again, the verb shows the place. Where again the verb shows the time. The verb shows the reason. Again the manner. For example, the shop owner displays everything in the showcase. We ask a question, where it is displayed, where displayed, verb is where displayed, we get the answer, in the showcase. So it is a place. So where displayed, where displayed in the showcase. So we get the answer, in the showcase. So it's a place. The meeting will start. The verb is start. The meeting will start at 10 a.m. When we get the answer, when will the meeting start? The meeting start at 10 a.m. So we get the answer, time. The time. Then reason. Raju was sick, so he didn't attend the class. So the reason is hence because Raju was sick, so he didn't attend the class. Manner. We should not eat our food. We should not eat. Eat how? He shows the way of our eating hastily. So the object, it shows the place. Again, it shows time. Again, it shows the reason and also the manner. I shall read it. Please check your sheet. Place. It is the point or position where some action or actions occur or take place. It satisfies the question where. The shopkeeper displayed everything in the showcase. So, in the showcase, place. Golu came out to display. Came out. Came verb out. Yeah. Time. It is a time segment in which can action take place. For example, we can see shooting stars later. When? Later. So, it shows time. The function will start at 10:30 a.m. At what time? 10:30 a.m. Then comes a reason. It is a word indicating that the action described by the sentences follows an already stated reason behind it. Rahul wanted to buy a new bike. Hence, it shows reason. Hence, he went to the bank and withdrew some money. Another example, there was little food left. Therefore, the mother fed the child that was hungry. The word hence indicates the reason why the man went to the bank and withdrew some money. Similarly, therefore shows and the reason why the mother fed the children that day. Then man. It is a word used to describe the fashion, manner, style, which an action take place. It satisfies the question how, in what manner something is done. For example, we should not eat our food hastily. Parents bring up their children with love and care. How do parents bring up their children? How? It satisfies the question how? With love and care. So, with love and care is mana. Then, there is a small exercise for you. Activity number 4. Analyze the following sentences to identify the components of objects, place, time, reason, and manner. Today, our teacher gave an inspiring lecture. Life is not a bed of roses. The daisy smells sweet. The children are making castles with sand by the riverside now. At dawn, birds flutter their wings joyfully to fly out into the blue sky. Please do it yourself. I hope you have understood today's portions. Go through the lesson well and study. Take care of your health. Thank you. We shall meet the next day. Correct.